Hi Milton drivers, I'm Jeff Robinson, Vice President of Maintenance here at Milton Truck Lines. In today's video I want to talk a little bit more about our CSA scores and how important it is to do pre-trips and post-trips and report problems that you see on either your truck or trailers that you're going to spot. I've been looking at the violations for the last several months, and the biggest problems that we see are tires, lights, and air leaks. Now, I know a lot of you were saying that you do your pre-trip and post-trip, which I know most of you do, but I can't stress how important it is. If you find some problems, report them and get them fixed. I know I've seen some comments since my last video that a lot of you guys, or some of you guys I should say, didn't want to take the time to get it fixed because it was going to delay you or could cause you not to run as many miles as what you might think you do. But the problem is, if you don't get it fixed and the DOT finds you and shuts you down, then the length of your repair is gone from what could have been simple couple hours to maybe a half a day, full day, or even longer. So I really stress for you guys to take the few minutes out each day, do your pre-trip, post-trip. If you got some issues, call the guys in outside repair, call myself, call Jason, call Tom down in Laredo. Let us know what's going on. We'd love to help you. Because once we get our score going back down again, then that's kind of a gauge on how well my maintenance department is doing their job, working with you guys to do your job. So it's a win-win for everybody. So please take the time every day to check your tires, check your lights, check for air leaks, just check the small things. It makes your job easier because you've got a very difficult job out there to do. I want your job to be safe, as easy as possible. So let me know how we can help. We're there 24/7 to give you guys the assistance that you need. So please, help me keep our CSA scores down and you guys out on the road being productive. Thanks and drive safe.